AI, governance, and security. Here is your same structured, beginner-friendly content for AI governance and security. Beginner level, introduction. AI governance and security refers to the rules, policies, and protection mechanisms used to ensure AI systems are safe, fair, secure, responsible. As AI becomes powerful and widely used, it also brings risks such as bias and unfair decisions, data privacy issues, security vulnerabilities, misuse of AI. AI governance ensures AI is used ethically and responsibly, while AI security protects systems from attacks and failures. Examples include ensuring AI decisions are fair, protecting user data, preventing AI misuse, securing AI models from attacks, monitoring AI behavior. This topic helps beginners understand how to build trustworthy and safe AI systems. What is AI governance? AI governance is the framework of rules and guidelines that control how AI systems are developed and used. In simple words, AI governance equals rules for using AI responsibly. What is AI security? AI security focuses on protecting AI systems from threats such as hacking, data leaks, model manipulation. In simple words, AI security is protecting AI systems from risks and attacks. Why AI governance is important. AI systems can affect people's lives, make important decisions. Without governance, bias can occur. Decisions can be unfair. Systems can be misused. Governance helps. Check. Ensure fairness. Check. Improve transparency. Check. Build trust. Follow regulations. Why AI security is important. AI systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks, data poisoning, model theft. Security helps protect sensitive data, prevent attacks, ensure reliability, maintain system integrity. Key areas of AI governance. Area, purpose, fairness, avoid bias, transparency, explain AI decisions, accountability, assign responsibility, privacy, protect user data, compliance, follow laws and regulations. Key areas of AI security. Area, purpose, data security, protect datasets, model security, protect AI models, access control, restrict access to authorized users, restrict system access, monitoring, detect threats, robustness, handle attacks. Example of AI decision, check decision equals approve. If decision, print. Decision logged for review. Example of data privacy. User data equals sensitive. If user data, print. Encrypt data. Simple AI governance example. Python. User role equals admin. If user role equals admin, print access granted. Else, print access denied. How AI governance works. Step 1. Define rules. Rules equals fair, secure, transparent. Step 2. Monitor AI behavior. Print monitoring system. Step 3. Audit decisions. Print logging decisions. Step 4. Ensure compliance. Regulations. Step 5. Improve system. Print updating policies. AI security example password equals secure123. If password, print, authentication successful. AI in data protection data equals user info. Print, data secured. AI in access control role equals user. If role equals admin, print, full access. Else, print, limited access. AI in threat detection activity equals suspicious. If activity equals suspicious, print alert triggered. AI in bias detection, bias equals false. If not bias, print fair decision. Full menu-based example. Def check access. Role is input. Enter role. If role equals admin, print access granted. Else, print access denied. Def secure data. Data equals input. Enter data. Print data encrypted. Def detect threat. Activity is input. Enter activity. If activity equals suspicious, print threat detected. Else, print no threat. While true, print N1, check access. Print 2, secure data. Print 3, detect threat. Print 4, exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, check access. Elif choice equals 2, secure data. Elif choice equals 3, detect threat. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Check. AI ethics, security principles, data protection, risk management, compliance, responsible AI. Real-life analogy. AI governance and security is like rules and security systems in a company. Rules ensure fairness. Security protects assets. Monitoring ensures safety. Ways to improve a project: add encryption, implement authentication, monitor AI decisions, detect bias, use secure APIs, follow regulations, GDPR, etc., add logging systems, perform audits, not ignoring security, not handling data privacy, overlooking bias, lack of monitoring, weak access control where it is used. Banking systems, healthcare AI, government systems, enterprise AI, cloud platforms, cybersecurity systems, e-commerce AI platforms. Large systems may include security frameworks, governance policies, monitoring tools, compliance systems. Simple definition. AI governance and security: the rules and protections used to ensure AI systems are safe, fair, and secure. Final summary. AI governance and security ensures AI systems are responsible, secure, fair, trustworthy. It is essential for building safe and reliable AI systems in the real world.